haircut? Well, I don't have the habit of frequenting the beauty parlor as I like it in a very particular way. And I have recently discovered that not many hair salons in my city could satisfy my taste. How long have you had your current haircut? If my memory serves me correctly, it has been almost 2 months since I've made up a trip to a salon. Contrary to what most people believe, if a woman's hair is styled correctly, it does not require much maintenance. The last time I visited my hair technician, she did a complete makeover, ensuring that I would not have to redo my hair too regularly, apart from the occasional trim. Have you ever had an unhappy haircut experience? Oh yes, absolutely. That nightmarish experience is still etches my memory. Due to a miscommunication between me and the hairdresser, instead of styling it in accordance with the one of the most trendy hairstyles at the time, which would definitely accentuate my features, she aimed for excessive layers, which resulted in a horrid cut that resembled a lion mane. Needless to say, it took me a month to grow that out. Do you like to have your hair cut? Not really. The bizarre thing is, I do not enjoy having my hair cut, but I definitely relish having my hair touched. The sensation of someone playing with every strain of my hair, inadvertently massaging my scalp at the same time, is very calming and invigorating. Perhaps I am quite addicted to these for sentimental reasons, as it reminds me of how my mother used to comb my hair when I was little.